What is Administrative Services Only, ASO? Administrative Services Only, also called ASO, is an arrangement where a company hires a third party to handle administrative tasks for employee benefit plans, while the company itself pays the actual insurance claims. In simple words, ASO means outsourcing benefit administration but keeping financial responsibility for claims. ASO plans are commonly used for employee health insurance programs. Under an ASO agreement, an insurance company or specialized service provider manages administrative work such as processing claims, maintaining records, customer support, and compliance reporting. However, unlike traditional insurance, the employer does not transfer risk to the insurer. Instead, the employer directly pays employees medical or benefit claims using its own funds. Because the employer carries the financial risk, ASO plans are often used by large companies with enough financial stability to handle claim costs. The service provider charges an administrative fee for managing the plan. ASO arrangements can reduce costs because employers avoid paying insurance profit margins and certain premium charges. They also provide flexibility in designing customized employee benefit plans. However, ASO plans involve risk. If employee healthcare claims become unexpectedly high, the employer must still pay those costs. To reduce this risk, companies often purchase stop-loss insurance. Stop-loss insurance protects employers by covering claims that exceed a certain limit. ASO plans require strong financial planning and accurate forecasting of healthcare expenses. In simple terms, administrative services only means a company manages benefits through a third party but pays claims itself. Easy way to remember. ASO means administration outsourced, risk retained by employer.